I'm Miss Amaris. Hello, my loves. You already know who it is. It's your girls. Hi, what's Gucci, you guys? So for today's video, as you guys can tell from today's title, we are doing a brow tutorial, you guys. I asked you guys over on IG if I should do my brows, and you guys said yes. So here it is. This video is going to be short, simple, and to the point. So without further ado, you guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my AOA Studio Wonder Brow Pomade. This is in the color Ebony, you guys. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you guys can tell, I use it up a lot. Like, I use it all the time. This is like my favorite brow product at the moment, you guys. And we're also going to use an AOA Studio E133 brush. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, you guys. So it's just an angled brush with a spoolie on the other side. This works best for me because I don't have to go into my collection and grab a spoolie and then an angled brush, you guys. By the way, we is brows before foundation over here. I give props to those who could do their brows after foundations, but we is brows before foundation, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up some product on my brush, you guys, and I'm just gonna start on the bottom of my brow. Okay, and I don't overdraw, and I do it messy, you guys. One, I don't overdraw because there's no point of me having to overdraw. And two, I do it messy because I know I'm going to end up cleaning it up with foundation or concealer, depending on the day, you guys. Depending on the day. And depending on the look I'm going to do. So right about right here, you guys, I usually stop about 1/3 of the way to the front of my brow. So just about like right there. I don't fill in this top portion because what I'm going to do is when it comes to filling it in later, I'm going to take my brush, put it straight, and then start filling it in. So I am going to try to diffuse this brow product as much into my... So we should have something like that. So I'm going to start filling it in. So I'm going to grab a little bit more product. I'm actually going to fix right here. And I'm going to start slowly filling my brow in. And I start on my tail because I like my tail to be the darkest usually sometimes, you guys. And like I said, I do it messy because I'm just going to clean it up anyways with concealer. So, grab more product. And literally, you guys, I'm just following the way my natural hair goes. So then right about here, you guys, like right about the front of my brow, like I said before, with whatever product I have on the brush, I'm going to flip my brush where the angle part is like down. So I'm going to pick it up like straight. And literally just flicking it up, doing hair like strokes. And then I always go back and pick up the littlest amount of product on the brush. And again, your brows are sisters, not twins, so they're never gonna look exactly alike, you guys. And that's the one thing I love about makeup, is that your brows never look exactly alike. Okay, so now that we're to where we want our brows to be, because I think that should be good enough. I think they look pretty even. I'm gonna clean it up with concealer, like I said, you guys. And the concealer that I'm using is the Wet n Wild one. This is the Photo Focus one, you guys. This is what it looks like. I got this in light medium beige. So I usually always go for a concealer that matches my skin tone usually. Or I take that concealer. This is a flat top concealer brush, you guys. This is from Coastal Scents. And usually what I like to do, you guys, is just start right about here and bring this product down. Again, following the natural shape of my brow. And then I'll clean up the top as well, starting about like halfway and bringing the concealer down. And then I'm gonna take a more of a denser brush, you guys. This is a Crown Royal brush. This is more of a dense brush, so you guys can tell. And literally what I'm gonna do is just start patting this concealer in. All right, and then my final step, you guys, I use the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara. It's not clear no more, but I use this all the time for my brows. This is like a clear like brow gel basically, you guys. And what I like to do is start at the front and the upwards motion. And there you have it, you guys. That is how I do my brows. It's really simple, really quick, really easy. Depending usually on the day, my brows take me no more than a couple of minutes to do, you guys, literally. But anyways, usually always go in and touch up a little bit, whatever, like if I miss a spot or something, or I feel like I missed a spot, usually always go in and touch up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little brow tutorial. I mean, like I said, it was quick and easy. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Become part of our little family over here. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and Twitter, where I post everything. I keep you guys updated when I post videos and new pictures and stuff like that, you guys. Yeah, we upload at least 2 to 3 times a week over here, Mondays through Sundays, you guys. So yeah, I love you guys all so much. Also, make sure you have my post notifications turned on, so this way you guys will be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, okay? Make sure you have those turned on. Make sure you're following me here and on Instagram and Twitter. I love you guys all so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.